Hi, I'm Anne and I'm going into my third year of medicine at the University of Bristol, and here are my top 3 tips on how to make the most of the virtual open week. My first tip would be don't be afraid to ask any questions. The staff and the students that are helping out on the virtual open week are more than happy to address any concerns or worries that you might have, so don't be afraid to ask them about their experiences. My second tip is explore the university as well as the city of Bristol. The university has put together some great resources looking at the accommodation and the university buildings, so have a look, explore and see what's on offer. My third and final tip: alongside your studies, you'll have time to develop and grow your hobbies and interests. So have a look at what societies the University of Bristol has to offer and see what takes your interest. So I really hope that has been helpful for you and that you enjoy your virtual open week experience.